because there are so much superiority inside marriage. Because I'm the man. In abroad, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Now, like what you said.
Austin, Brosty,
yes,
I beg, make I just drop. You see what this man talks? I know they like everybody getting you for body. You understand? I didn't sorry start the shit. Just when this guy offered, he put me in.
Why you gonna cry?
Good 15.
I will make I calm down. Not use emotional blackmail for me. I've gone past this level. Please, Chairman, I want God drop. Forget this matter.
No.
Please, lady, I'm sorry about that. Please, I'm not talking this. Don't give me emotional blackmail. Who shall come with the cry?
You touch somewhere in my story.
Sir.
Yes.
Let her talk.
Yes. I respect you, so respect me back. This guy says, so if you go report him for police, he go come turn to enemy. Fuck that enemy. Fuck that enemy. I said, do you know my story? Do you know many women's story here? Say no go make you not go report. It go cause enemy. When man want kill you. If you look my profile, go look my left side of my face. Now here, 9 man throw me plates, breaking plate for face. This everlasting mark one I get. And they try cover for him. Person when you the cover for one of the cover for you to hell with that fucking man. If you like make a rust in jail. We have to stand up. Stop hiding things for this police. Stop hiding things for this men. As it happen, women, go there and say it. Because we are not slaves. I did it for 15 fucking years. Before I got my freedom. I love somebody that never loved me. I close for somebody that never closed for me. So what are you telling me? That you went and tell the police? That you end up with 6 feet? So please, Mr. Terry Moses, I'm sorry if I should act this way. I never did this in social media. Please. If you are a victim as a woman here, report that fucking man. That is just it. I'm sorry to use this language. Austin, I did very sorry. This guy touched me, not supposed to touch. Not before only me. Many people. I try control myself. That's why I try come up. I be don't go down. What do you mean they talk so? If my sister then go to Antoran, is relationship slave? Is marriage slave? No. No matter the woman character. Because it is when you talk to is as if the woman then get bad character. Then go down to your sister. Even your sister get bad character, you go say, the man, keep by her. She not get character. So please. Austin community, they're very sorry. I beg. I take God beg now. I beg. I know they do this thing. This thing why I do so. Now the first time I do this kind of thing on social media. Nobody will not get in own story. Now who talking on come out? Now I will say I talk put. Yeah, but I thank God I was able to free myself. Since 2015, I've been alone as a single mother. You know what 15 years be to stay in a relationship? People say this is my place. Say you be moving. You should say you be being at all. This is when this guy talks so. But at the end, I come out for marriage February, May. The man carry another woman enter from Nigeria. That a person who I cover up for. So where is the love? So I beg, nobody will not get it on for body. So some men, if they come this platform, when they know the one that will take the talk. If you want support men, go where they support men. Not because they say maybe men are not good. There are some good ones, there are some nice ones. The same thing for women. Somebody carry more than one key person, one pie person. If they tell me say the woman character, which kind of character? Not the person born that woman. She don't do mistake, you don't do mistake. Even when they talk, I don't do my own mistake too. The time when you read it, I know the person tell me, even the man have not believe. When me drag the man enter today, he said not believe in eyes. So many men don't really know what is called peace. You were talking of peace. Do you know the meaning of peace? You want peace, you take second woman. You want peace, you beat woman. Is that peace? And you will come and say, I need the woman that will give me peace. Are you peaceful? I bet more than no vets. Mommy, bring me down. Man, the comment section.
We no verse. For me, I no verse. So I no verse. We no verse. Now we should know where they pinch.
Me, I no verse. So I support you, my sister. I support you 100%. I support you because many women don't delay tire. Enough is enough.
Mama, may I drop you?
What's happen?
May I drop you?
Say you go bring enemy. No, could not talk. You go bring any person when you dey avoid, make you not bring enemy. See they buy you, they go. Even though na juju, you not go wake up.
All tribe counselor. You know say na that woman who carry matter come dey for yesterday. Now that woman take talk now. People will say German police not they act. That lie. Oh. The woman police don't know say woman don't overcover for this man. So now the man call the tormentor now, and so police call they look them. You understand?
You know how many times I don't take this case? I take him to lawyer the first time. I go, they say, madam, are you ready? I go say, The second time, I go, are you ready? As I was pregnant, 3 months pregnancy, a man throw me a sauce plate. If you go watch my profile, my left-hand side, my mama today, they don't know what to do me. But the sister won't know. She is on her knees till today, say, please don't let your family know this thing. Because she know what it be. The third time when I go lawyer, say, I need to separate from this. Minister tell me, so she'll say, madam, if you didn't take your decision now, we will never help you again. We will abandon you. Now I take come out. But I make this man to become who he is today in Nigeria. When he met me, was having nothing. When I said nothing is nothing, absolutely nothing. He was in Germany for 10 years. His family reckoned down. But he know me, under 3 years, he come back to whom he's supposed to be. Then you come here telling me you should not report any man to a police when he's maltreating you? Fuck that man. Okay? So women, if you're not there, you they close for person that they close for you, you do on your own. You go buy before your grave. Look at me, look at my, if I should tell you my age now, you will not believe. But when I did in that relationship, they can't add 30 down my age. But now, me go tell you how many years I did now, you go even remove 25. Because of one relationship. There are good women that are ready to stand. But you, that man, who are you? What are you? What are your capacity? What do you want offer? What do you want bring to table? Can't carry my skeleton put for table now. Na basbos. You want peace. Men don't really know what peace is. They don't know. I'm not claiming that I'm a perfect woman. No. But there are still some perfect women. There are still good women. There are some good guys. Only I will say maybe we are. I'm sorry, or we are sorry. We fall into the wrong hands. Okay. So, bros, Mark, I relax my brain. Like someone get headache.
That woman, after that show, that woman cut off for here. You know what you tell me? Bro. You don't want to talk for here where on a day.
Okay.
You don't want to that word for here where on a day. Don't you tell me? He said when that man pour hot water,
yeah,
police let her know say this man will go for it too. Okay? Sign this paper. She don't sign her.
It happened to me. 3 months pregnancy. The blood man lose that day. LC. I think maybe that this my first daughter go follow her. I reached a protocol because they said, Signora, lui e deve denunciarlo. E da denunciare. You know what I tell them? È una sbal. He doesn't really, sorry, anybody when they hate Aloye. I said, no, na mistake. You not really mean her. But the man don't they threaten me with wealth. I go give you a everlasting mark. I go give you a everlasting mark. And then when it happened, I said, Ken, you said it now. Look at it. No, I said, you said it. Look at it. A pregnant woman. So what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Now I make and when I want to do something, me too, I not look back. When I dey pack, I not look back. My child benefit is still they give me till today. It do stronger than then go in company, they put the money for inside my children's account. If you're not even ready to bring shishi, as he do rich. So there are some men when we say they're wicked, go rich inside their DNA, inside their blood. Inside their blood. So what you want to make it happen. So you need to put hand for an eye. I'm going to neck behavior. They say if you they pass river, now front that they pass river, but then they follow river, come back. If you don't agree, you go, you turn back, you stand. Tell me, say make it not be enemy. See all women when they're frustrated for this Europe today, especially this Europe. I don't want to report. I don't want to report because that bola they sweet you. Which kind of nonsense bola be that? Be that enemy you are alive to train your children. Now you move on. Make the man say, without him you can, but put him to where he belongs. Put that man to where he belongs. Enough is enough. What will families say? Enough is enough. What will my children say? Enough is enough. Where I they stay with the father of my children, bro, he not reach 5 minutes. This man not they come press by here say, how are you doing? He not they come. Now let you sit there for a degree there. But another woman don't burn it for him. Who are they cover for? Now those ones see they claim as in children now. This one I never built, he never give him one money of block. But my money for youth for this country. Now that my hand you follow. But I not take a mess anything. But how you take pay me back? Maltreating me, insulting me. taking me as if I be nobody for where you did, insulting my family. Is that relationship? Am I the worst woman? The answer is no. People, they tell me, say, if I say this, we're not just saying I've been you. Because I believe people with their craze. But I meet this man, say, I just the lawyer. So as we are not like lawyer women, then we bring the beast in us. I don't care. I'm single mother and proud one, and I'm very, very happy about myself. Very, very happy. No man, they feed me. No man, they do me anything. Everything a woman will get. Thank God I have all. So any man where God want bring in future, fine, Najara, Edo no. Edo. And there is nowhere it is written that if you not marry, they enter heaven, you're not going to become who you want to be. It's not written anywhere. I'm happy with my children, with my kids. So, Bro Terry, wherever you are, I'm sorry if I should react this way, but you make a very, very wrong statement, a very, very wrong comment in this platform. So that is why I came up. I'm speaking for women who has been a victim. May God bless everyone. Wanna bring me down.
Thank you very much, my sister. God bless you for the submission. It's okay. Let's continue. No time for you. See, may I quick talk this thing. Who they play music? Mute your side. Who they play music? Mute your side, please. Who they play music? Mute your side, oh. Thank you. See, why I call they shake my head? I they shake my head in the sense that now even go for now be women. Some of una all self too much. If me myself see una for social media self, I how they shake my head for una. If una see where women they blast women, if una see where women they blast women, you will not say, you they ask yourself what did they happen. You see an amen, that's what we be. Not be because I tell you be like that. Men know how to defend men. Make I tell you in case I don't know. Men can stand with men till the last day. Men can stand. It takes only few. It takes only few to just say, okay, let me just be neutral. Now only few. Now you will see. Men they stand with men. Why? Because what men believe, we say, some of men believe, we say, if you not stand with you, if you not stand with you, if you not condemn me, for example, now, Terry wife, they watch with Terry just now. And Terry not talk that thing. So Terry if he say the wife, you can't know what you they talk. If you can't practice something there. You understand? And so men they think. You know what I mean? Men must protect men. Not only few. Now they say, let me be neutral. If you not see where women they blast women. Sometimes some of these women when they Europe for year, I would say government will pack both want to get paper, some of them, both want to get paper, both want to get passports. Maybe they all go put them for Nigeria first. Make some still enter their body small. Some of them, make some go enter their body because some need some. Some of them they need some. Last night as I did work, I said make I just throw for social media. If you see where this woman they insult women, her fellow women, if they call the names, they call the ashawo woman. Then he wants to do the worst. He just focus on Germany. He saw those women they Germany, made they all deport all of them go Nigeria. Made they deport all of them go Nigeria. I look the woman and say, oh, I promise your husband leave you one day. Then you will know what it be life. Anyway, I rest my case. As a woman, you don't need to condemn your fellow women, no matter anything. You get why? Now they give us this impression. If not, we'll not unite. Problem they there. So if you call police for me, we are enemy. But I won't buy you. Every day they beat you. The me call they tell you say, if you call police for me, then you are my enemy. You know? Where that party before come? Na Africa.
Na Africa
for come. You better
Everybody go court, don't become enemy.
That parable is coming all the way from Africa. Maybe we not forget. It's going from Africa. When they talk say,
not forget.
if you carry body go police station,
where you caught
we not be friend again.
We not be friend again.
You see, that's to tell you that a lot of things we practice in Africa, was just to humiliate the opposite gender. That's the truth. Anyway,
thank you.
Mommy, be sorry.
Oga Prince is back. Mr. Prince, can you unmute yourself?
Prince, you don't know.
Unmute yourself, Oga Prince.
You were here before. We are calling you.
See, I sleep. No, no verse. I slept off last night. And I don't sleep. I don't sleep last night.
Why you not gonna sleep? When you can still not sleep, where you can still come again now?
Now one platform, one Jamaica woman. She just hold me, begin they talk. Till this morning, I can't leave me. Now I go so okay, make I even rest. I come as I want rest. I come. No be small, no mind me. As I say make I go live, I can't see Brother Austin come up. I say, oh, I can't shut down my life. Cause okay, make I come join Brother Austin. As I can't hear the story when they talk, the thing just break me down. I say, oh, nothing one person don't go here, Brother Austin. You dey try.
You sleep at 2 again. Cause we call you sis. Now you put on for jar 2 again.
I remember no verse.
Wahala
full everywhere. I think say na only Nigeria problem dey. When I come hear Jamaica yesterday, it still come even tire me.
Now everywhere problem dey. Now talk you out.
The thing tire me. How we go do this one? You see that thing where Brownie just told just now? I wish they go fit do am, things for balance well because some, it be like say some never touch sun again, the brain not correct again. You know when sun they beat us for Nigeria with our brain.
The brain go dey that sun go dey make the thing come out, you dey sweat.
Not be lie,
brother Austin, some things when they talk.
The way some women they go this TikTok, go they rubbish their fellow women. I don't know if they work for seconds. I don't quit remove her immediately. You know?
You know why, brother Austin? You know why? They don't too take and they never touch sources when they come out from Nigeria. So the thing now don't tell on them. Whether I want cause them, make them begin to get some psych, I don't understand. If you they talk, they're not going to even let you talk. They go want make sure say they want talk you down. They don't forget culture, some forget where they for come. That is where the problem is coming from. They forget it. The Oyibo life now don't climb their head. It don't use Joko. They don't use their head onto Joko. They forget say na Africa na therefore they come where culture they exist. That is where the problem is coming from.
Which of the culture are you talking about?
Every village get their own culture. As we be each other.
The culture we have.
You know what I talk am? For my way for come, if man they talk, woman they keep quiet.
Where if for come?
Yes. For
your village?
Yes, woman go keep quiet.
We are not in your village here.
Okay. You know what I talk about? You know what I talk about?
I know how you talk about. We are not in your village here.
No, not before this thing that they talk. I know what I talk about. You know what I talk about? You see, you don't bring this problem. Right? You see this thing where you bring also. Now something. If they say a get parable where they beat.
Now culture make seriously culture the cause. Let me define culture. I want to define culture for you.
Okay.
Wait, may I quick define culture for you? Maybe you don't know what is
Okay.
culture.
Oga,
Okay.
this word where you talk,
Yeah.
so woman go
This
keep
is-
quiet.
Culture can be defined as a result
Wait now.
of this.
Uh,
This is culture.
no, this one, no.
This
one
is
no be
culture, bro.
No, this one don't work.
This
No
is
be
culture. Culture can be defined as this. Okay?
No, bro. I say no. That
When
one no
you
be
try
culture.
this, when you try this in abroad, you go to the bar, you go behind bar.
Where? Even when I did police work, this kind of thing happen when I did police work. This thing when they show me, so when you bring con here today, so it happen. Not be now. It don't dey happen. Now, it be like say it just dey hear now. The man, the second wife, now make you see that talk when that brother talk. When you even first talk, you see man, that first wife when he marry, now there that love there. You when they come as second, you think say you wan come overtake the first one. Now lie you. The pikin when you wan born, na that first one wey first born, na that love dey o. Your own no fit come champion the whole house. When you make mention of that one, it just flash me back when I was in police work. 2003. Now they tell you so. It happened for Lagos here, first tag. The man use this one self na body take na body for naka. He use the mortar take break the woman head, the woman die. Ikpai.
That.
That one no be culture, no be even Isha.
That's how culture
That one no be
is
Isha,
defined.
na Orobo. Now they tell you so.
Not be about Robo, forget about tribe. Not about Robo. That's Africa, that's Nigerian culture.
Now they tell you so. Now. See, you know, he said because the woman talk when he dey advise the two, the senior one go keep quiet, the other small one go dey rant.
Now that culture they talk last night and say where you for come say
No.
Wait, that's how you talk. Oh, people they watch you. You say where you for come.
No be this one now I talk put
The
o.
woman should keep quiet. That's what you said. So now because of that.
Yes, I know why I said that. I know why I said that. I don't want to bring past wood to here. I know why I said that. If you want me to remind you why I said that, I will remind you what happened yesterday that make me left. I know why I said that. It's not this matter. I know why I said it. Even when I was still watching when I even left. I was still watching because I love your platform. No matter how person offend me, I fit just come down, still go far, go dey watch wetin dey happen.
Okay,
That is me for you.
That person wey happen yesterday for the other side of our platform they do aproko. That person have been suspended permanently.
Yes, I give you hand. I wish I near you. You know. I for buy you one bottle. You know what? I made mention of.
Me and you now opposite side. I know they drink.
You go dey dangerous for one thing. Yes, e get way for dangerous. Any man wey no dey smoke, wey no dey drink, the S wey dey, e like am pass drink and smoke.
Even bottle wey sit down go break.
No be even that one. E get where e for dey perfect. This Austin, oga brother Austin wey you dey see so. Any man wey no dey drink, wey no dey smoke, the other one, e dey deadly for that one.
Which side?
I'm not a prophet. I'm telling you.
I bet tell you which side.
But maybe am I safe?
I want to know which side.
Where in what carry me? Where they carry me? They go.
Na 12 una start and I go finish am.
For the knocking side,
Hey.
Austin go dey very he go dey. Now my papa tell me this
You
too.
don't win me because you don't have to shut me down. Nah, you don't shut me down now. You don't shut me down. Go now like that place.
So brother Austin, go leave that talk.
Nah, you don't shut me
Any
down
man
now.
wey no dey drink smoke,
You win.
any man wey no dey drink, wey no dey smoke,
You win.
e get wetin e dey sabi. Brother Austin, No verse.
But I don't
Now you bring matter come.
I thought that now they look at now because he want to disgrace me now publicly.
No.
You okay?
I'm sorry, I don't want disgrace.
I don't give you the podium. Carry go.
No worries, sorry, sir. Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
Mr.
I should
Prince,
just make sure say
no
you
topic. Make other people for contributor. Thank you.
You see wetin that man do. No be only for abroad he go for go jail. Na Nigeria, it's only if he did not marry that woman. If he not put money for that woman head, now where that problem go for come. I was an ex-police officer. When you people were talking, let us not take him to human rights. Let us not do this one. For Lagos here, you get one thing will happen. Exactly this thing. I give the woman the number of a human right for Lagos here. That was a police officer. I have the picture till today. I keep it with me. The police officer nearly lose his work. The woman is from Iruekpe. He nearly lose his work. I tell the woman, say, no police officer will support an officer to lay his hand on his wife to this extent of the woman they bleed for nose, they bleed for mouth. They not day law. I read criminal code, I read penal code. In all day. If you do it, even officer commit crime, now they worse pass normal civilian because he know the law. You see this vice of 18. When that my brother they say even mad people get vice president, laugh won't kill me for you because you see that thing when he talk not true. When they say because of the woman here say that vice, my sister, not be everything be vice now they walk. Oh, before you chook head, married man. First go check the first wife, check the children, the kind of life when they live before you go accept to be a second wife to a married man. Biko, I not be Igbo, but I dey sabi use Igbo beg well, I sabi their language well. Maybe because now I married before. Biko, no try am. Whoa, esan yokin. Whoa, where try because if you when you read they come, we be men. We get as we take day. We feel no give that first one when we dey with that attention. You when you read they come, they shower you money, they do everything for you. You go to say now so the man be for inside. So that make you for enter well. Now make that caring and love when you dey see. Once you don't enter, my sister, that thing, once you don't get belly, that caring and love go shut down. That caring and love go shut down. Now only Hausa, I feel say they sabi that thing, they feel balance am. Because my father married 4 wives when he was a Muslim. And I asked him, Baba, how you take manage this situation? He look me, come laugh. He can't tell me, say, he make sure, say, everything balance equal. I say, Baba, now era be that, to no be this our era, he not go work. Oh. He can't laugh. He say, he don't see this our era. I say, it dey dangerous that they had their former era. I say, fine, because even most of my stepmother when I see, they love each other as a sister. I say, Baba, I be say na juju you take do this one. I say no be juju. Say na that era be that one, but this era e no go work. Say you don't see our era, e no go work. I say, me I no even dey fight for 2 wives. Na one me dey fight. And that one he go dey with me and he go dey. I no dey for side chick. I'm not interested. When I'm with my wife, I don't look outside. I don't need it. I don't need distraction. You see this woman, so I pray make her father help her, make he survive this thing, because that sister when they say they advise her, he not go here. The thing, a host go say I don't come again. This kind of thing happened to my second sister. My second sister, the one when let's say man and last born, the last born for the girls, na 3. The last born for the girls, it happened to her. If the man go drink come from outside, he go come dey pound my sister. I come inside my mind, I come say, ew, I wish na Mama J this man marry. I tell my sister, say, you just too quiet, you too soft. The man go pound and break bottle for your head. I say, ew, see love. This one no be love, oh. And he don't quick and born TV. When we dey tell her, say, this man, you don't know this man, oh. This man is caring for you. We know this man. Even the man father come dey condemn the son. Say, make my sister no enter. My sister no here. I don't know what the man they do for am. When make her lure am, he can't enter the marriage. Belle can't enter. As one Belle no enter, the man can't do marriage. He can't deal with the man. Now there the bass boats can't start. That smooth love when they play before can't be like say they don't turn to war inside. Once the man just come from outside, don't months. Now pounding. So as I can't reach there, I can't say, my God, you too they beat this my sister. The man bust bad luck for my head. Still use police. Arrest me, now make me enter police work. That one for that side. You see this your sister when they talk to, he not go hear you. Because you don't know what that man they do for, and when dog not come here owner for inside bush again, you know say that dog don't come on for lane. You suffer pack all the rest dog come on for inside bush. Anything when that one wants see, make it see him before you come back to the dog. Now let that one get to say Rose, make the woman use brain. Thank you, my people.
Thank you, brother Prince. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So who's our next speaker, please? Our next speaker.
But still agree to good afternoon.
Agree to brother Jude. Good afternoon.
Agree to Baba. I beg again what I want to ask you because me not take me see this. I want to ask one question.
You want to ask me or you want to ask the public?
I want the public.
Okay, sir.
If husband and wife they fight, maybe one wrong each other, who's supposed to calm down for each other? Out of the two.
Okay. Can I use myself as an example?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me fight to and not also fight. The fight too expensive.
Okay,
I can't go do for that. Huh?
Normal argument for us.
I have got fight. It's too expensive for me.
Yes. Okay.
Normal argument, bro. Okay. May I tell you? I'm going to do my own. Normal argument. If you boss for this house now, so now me they calm down. Okay. Now me they calm down.
Wrong you?
You see?
Where your wife wrong you?
I'm never first calm down.
Okay.
When I
But
calm
you not
down,
first say wife now, you say two people. If two
no, it mean husband and wife. Now it mean. I know what it means.
Husband and wife.
Yeah, but now your husband supposed to calm down.
Yeah, I calm down. When I calm down, she herself knows that she wronged me. Okay? She herself know. You understand? Nobody will say women, people say they bill. Women, they get conscience more than the way they think. You understand? When she knows, say, me don't just be like, say, nothing happened.
Take me up. You dey up, since you dey disturb, but now bring the phone down. No
tell me,
space for
say,
now,
sorry. Okay? If I wrong her, you hear me so, bro?
Yes, sir.
If I wrong her, Nami will still calm down first. You see,
Yeah.
Later, if I want to tell her sorry, I dey target her when I want to cook for kitchen. If I reach kitchen, I'll dey tap her for nyash.
Okay.
You see, So when I tap her for nyash, she must laugh. You see, then I'll come hold her, I'll come tell her sorry. If I do that one for inside my house, I'm not going to talk about platform now. You know will know, my brother.
All that true.
So if you see do it to your wife, we know will know. You understand?
Yeah.
But what people they see say your home is they work. Who they make can they work? Now you will be the man. Now they make can they work. You understand? So now so me tell they do my own. I don't know about your own, my brother.
Okay.
Now make I tell you say, I they do according to the Bible. So I use myself as an example. Maybe under my day, we will come see help you out. I think they do in own. Because very, very important, my brother. Because normally, this love of a thing, if you love your wife, my brother, all these things when they talk so, now very easy things. Very easy. Because me, I'll go work 12 hours. Go put something for mind. Go do 12 hours work, security work. They drive around the city. So to call them my mind. And they drive. Come back house. Call a day house. My brother, no, I don't get that. I don't fit. If now woman, I don't fit. You understand?
Thank you, Mr. Austin. You know what you
Yes.
talk. You go to my one they tell us that they go say what gekuwa zeme. That thing. Now when I come grow up, I can't know the meaning of that word.
Yes.
Gekuwa zeme. I feel say maybe I'm not really thought this kind of no, it come be like song they take for here. Now when person don't marry, the first one it no work. If first one no work, try the second one work. If as a man you get some things as a so important they'll do woman for us. And the woman will go come back for work or sweep, now come wash plate, now come do other things. Those things is a very bad thing as a man. If you come back, you dey go 8 hours of work, you come as a scatter. Every your wife have a job. At times, some women they don't value those things, so some people don't value am. You do all those things for them, go still take you as if say the man don't know what to do. I know somebody. I don't want to talk am for line, but I want to talk am. If try want to tell me tear. That time, that was really come abroad. My cousin brother, maybe he only follow me for my TikTok, but maybe you know. We go marriage for Fireze. I would tell my wife this matter. We all discuss a palo. We'll be family. We'll discuss family. The men, you should know as boys, men
You
and
don't
men.
take me up again.
You know as men gossip. Men they gossip each other. We talk generally something or palo. So my brother, one of my cousins come to me for the matter say, he's just surprised. Oh, his wife this side kitchen they cook. Wife just come out. Give them my brother slap.
Brother Jude, just wait first. Brother Summer, are you not the one that sent request? Or Sister Summer?
Yes, now.
Well, are you angry we bring you up, or I don't understand?
No. I too like him. I'm listening, you know.
But you're the one that sent a request, right?
Yes, now.
But the way you shouted, we were almost afraid, though.
No. It's okay. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you. Don't worry. After Jude, I will let you talk. Okay?
Okay.
That was
Thank
the
you.
end of that marriage. The same so. So what I'm trying to say is that
I bet still tell her say make him mute.
Make a mute on. Not everybody know about this TikTok. You understand? Not everybody know about this TikTok. You
Are you back
know.
from school? Yeah. I was school today. So it gets some ways, as a family. If this woman know now, that's what I know her before. I don't say maybe I forget crash on my past.
Okay. You see, very honest guy.
Because this one I know now, my brother. Thanks. Woman hear the misery, you also have to my father let me a parable. So will say even I don't know that people there. Even if you me like boy women and fuck la hard be the offer.
Yes.
So there's some things as a man. No be way woman till the heart fall. If the heart fall like that will scatter.
Yes.
I could remember one day we all did somewhere. Wife they draw the guy come on, do my own London slap boy. The guy get off on the wife. There's some men go react for them. Okay, but that man tell me later say his wife he deal with her for 6 months for that way do. Where's her ass? I say I can't say palawo. Like tell you, hey, where you want to do my commit suicide? He tell me say judo. Tell me say no can any. Yeah, don't be people. Yeah, they are to people say that me be the bad person. I boom. But he feel her for 6 months for my house. I me come beg am. Say palawo, lawo, I beg, forgive her. Understand? So things we mean know now. I said I know at that time. Baba. No. Although I have the best now. Let me say I have the best relationship, I have the best marriage now. But let me say I try to talk about the best, but now it is what they do. I make you talk say I be the best.
Okay.
That time I said
before your time finish,
Alright.
Thank God say God don't still give you the best, okay? But what you will do, if you want to make your be the best, okay? You see friends, You see friends. That name friends.
My wife, man, that's my friend. My woman, that's my friend.
That friend, so, you see this my house. Nobody dey enter here.
Nobody enter
Me
my
too.
house.
I dey go person house.
I don't go past your house.
You understand? If you try that thing, you will see how your marriage will dey work for you because all these people so will be your friends. So, the kind demon when you follow them, now only God know.
Not true. Not true. I build the house.
I know they smoke.
I know
I know
the
they drink. Wetin concern Musa concern friends. Wetin me and friends one call they talk together.
Oh, thank you for that talk. May Yahshua bless you.
I build the house.
Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you, brother Jew. Thank you.
Thank
you see, this guy was very polite, was very nice.
Thank you very
He's a
much.
nice person. So, you see what he talk? He say, what he know now? I wish he know her then, as her then. His first marriage for not collapse. Or his first relationship for not collapse. I wish what he know now, he know her then. See, I tell you, I say, you see these people in the UK, so this single men for UK, whenever marry, they are very intelligent. Now they appreciate me pass. Now they appreciate to pass this platform what they do. No time when they call me. They call me, Brother Austin. Even though say we know they come up, Brother Austin. We they FYP for work, they listing. You know why? Now different type of women, now they come your show with different mindsets. We they learn. In case we marry tomorrow, if we see error, we'll quick detect them. They are very intelligent. But someone will get for what they do. Just be like rabbits. Sister Summer, unmute your side.
And someone will talk. Oh.
Summer.
Now,
Good afternoon.
You hear me, so? Good
Yes.
afternoon, sir. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. We thank God, you know.
Yeah. Where are you calling from, please?
I'm coming from Germany, you know.
Germany here, right? Okay, you can talk to us.
I don't listen to many of your life, you know. But sometimes I wonder, you know, there are some questions we have. We like German, you know. Sometimes we pretend like we know the culture, we know like everything. Some people, even if they start dancing, they go lose face because they won't join, you know, they won't come, you know. But there are some things whereby a person, you know, like me, as I make persons stay, and I know they understand the culture, or like maybe there are some things I don't know. You know, how can we manage? We as white people, how can we manage? How can we understand it? You don't understand me?
No.
Okay, let me come. You know, there are some things whereby, yes, we white people, we don't know you people culture like that. Yes, there are one or two maybe we know, but there are some things we don't know. So me, I'm someone who make people stay already, like not people. How they talk about my own personal person, you know.
Okay, wait first. Are you white?
So as are they suffer, as are they do as are they run all these things. How can I be succeed in their
Now
I
white.
don't know how to call it, please. I don't know whether you are getting me. I don't know, but
Yeah, but are you white?
Yes,
yes,
now
nah.
white.
Okay.
I'm white.
Una get una own culture. Yeah?
Yes, I know,
And
madam. I know. That is
okay,
what I'm
una own
trying to
culture.
find out, as we are trying our best. I know you people also are trying your best, to do whatever make your husband feel like comfortable. But we are also trying our best, but at the end we dey fuck up.
Okay.
So the
Okay,
kind
you
thing what the
understand?
kind of advice how una supposed to sit there they do and make fuck up not they come for the husband side, abi, or relationship. So now advice, you need advice now.
Yes,
Advice.
advise me.
Aye. Now wow. Which person you
Wait,
finish?
where are your parents from, first of all?
My mother na German. My father na from Luxembourg. I be German.
Luxembourg. Complete white.
German. Complete
Yeah.
German.
Complete German, yeah, okay.
And it's not like you people think say because person they speak pidgin we are spoiled. No, I'm not a spoiled someone. I'm just coming here to ask questions to
No,
learn.
no.
I always used to listen to your lives.
Oh,
And I
thank
like
you.
some things you are saying. I too like that's why
Okay.
I'm a shy someone. I don't like I'm having kids.
Bros.
I don't want my kids to see me one day on social media. I don't too like but the way you people talk sometimes I too like so I'm just coming here to listen to advice to we still learn.
Yes.
We are still learning.
Okay, make we bring Kisley and Subhana come up. May they come up, may all of us gather advise our Oyibo sister.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oyibo sister.
That's my sister wey get strong voice. I too like you. I too like you're very serious.
Before your
It's not very serious.
they don't they here already. Are they here?
They don't come.
I'm listening
Make
to
them
you
borrow
now.
us.
Okay, those people who don't first talk before they would
No, make the borrow
Abeg,
us
bring me
first.
down.
Go, bring the
Bring me down.
Okay, sir.
Bring me
Okay,
down.
sir.
Bring me down first.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bros, man, see, put me down.
Okay, thank you, Brad Jude. God
Okay.
bless you, Brad Jude.
Thank you. Bros, not press when I dey press, so may we not go do something wrong here.
No, and
Be
my
like
hand,
you dey-
my hand never did there.
My sister, please don't bring me down. I still want to listen.
No,
No, I not bring you down.
We are
I
bringing
not bring you
two
down.
other men because of you.
So that they go talk to you, okay?
So we can talk to you together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, my people, I greet you especially.
Brother Kisley.
Yeah, you are welcome, my brother.
Yes,
Okay.
I greet you. And the sister that asked a question just now, Summer, Madam Summer, God bless you, my sister. Because they say person wey ask direction, the person wants to learn. You understand? And thank you for seeing us as a family, and you want to also know how we do things. First thing first, we are all humans. You understand? The thing is this, Auntie, if you tell me or show me how you want to be treated, that is the way I am going to treat you. You see it. There's one that is called cultural difference. The way they take raise una, not be so they take raise us. You see it. Like for us now from Africa, there are some ways we find disrespectful when women go take talk to us. You understand? And there are some things that in your own culture you also find disrespectful. Let me just make small illustration. You see this idea of in Africa, when an older person is talking to you in Africa, you are not expected to look at that person in the eye. It's disrespect. That is our culture. But here in the Western world,
Our culture is different. If
it's
like
different.
you
Yes, I come there. And in your culture, when an older person or anybody is talking to you, you are supposed to be looking at them in the eyeball. You see, this is some of the culture shock me myself, I had, based on somebody will be say, now he both born for me. You don't understand? And the thing is, you see, from a place of communication, if there is a problem, so many of us, where we from, they come. Some of us, if you say, okay, this thing, make we just leave and make we not talk about them. A lot of where you from come, a lot of you loves to do it in. Una want face the problem and fix it, make we address it instantly. You see, huh? So the thing is this, in as much as the difference is there, the most important thing are the person where you they deal with. Try to spend time, understand them, ask a question, say, what does he like and what he not like? You know, understand? Because for us, naturally, as an African man, we not go, see, we know the life for you. Our ego, when it comes to respect, we know the use that they play. You see, if you disrespect us, Wahala don't they? So, and there's still some things where be say, man, in terms of cooking and cleaning, that one is subjective. Some men, they do some men, all they do them. It has a lot to do with the men where you they deal with. That man where you they accommodate. And I'm so happy you can speak pidgin English. For you to be able to speak pidgin English like this, it shows say, auntie, you don't integrate, you don't enter inside where. You understand? And which is very, very good. You know, which is very, very good. See, thank you. Anytime you come here, you say they listen where. They listen. They see. What be the common things where men they always they complain about? What women they always they complain about? You say it. Make a pause for that.
Men old, they used to understand them easily. Why women only they had you? You know, if women used to complain, that one na my talk. But you people don't used to feel like we used to feel, you know. Yes, I understand the culture a bit, you know, and we also have culture. You people underrate us sometimes in a way whereby, okay, German woman, you know, they're not too get sense, they're not too, you know why I respect black women? Most of black women, they used to choose wisely. Even if you not get nothing, they not feel follow you. They only follow you if you get something. Whereby we, even if you know where neka, we feel follow up. You know, we make you to become someone. Okay, after all this suffering, or after all these things, why are we like nothing? You know, whereby they carry their own for hand. I'm sorry, my sister. I'm not against you people. I'm not a racist or me. I love everyone, you know. But there are some things whereby, as a white person, if you follow up sometimes, if you listen to their talk sometimes, it they make us feel like we are nothing.
We can't hear you anymore.
You don't hear me?
Now it's good now.
Okay, whereby we, even if you not get nothing, we make you to become someone. So why after all we are like shit, we are like nothing. You know, I also used to, sometimes I used to speak to my friends. I used to tell them that, you know, sometimes, you know, life, yeah, there are some things you cannot change them. And no matter how good you are, you know, it will never take you anywhere. Sometimes, even me, I think like, okay, be a bad someone. May you see success tomorrow. Because if you are always good, you know, people always used to use you like you are nothing. Yeah, that is how I feel sometimes. Because we all try our best, you know, we all, you know, yes, we can never, you know, sometimes especially if I come to this TikTok, you know, sometimes if I see white person, whether they even lose face, if they start dancing, you know, they won't become like, okay, I'm a black woman, whereby they used to disgrace black woman are this, black woman, no, we are all the same. We are all the same. There's no difference. But no matter what, sometimes if you listen to black man, as a white woman, you become jealous. That is not because you are against the people. It is because no matter how you try as a white person, it's never good enough.
Okay, Sister Summer, let me just quick say this. Do you also know that? Okay, Sister Adiko, just 1 minute. Do you also know that the same white women, the same black women, they are also facing a lot from the black men.
Yes, I know. That is why, you know, me, I too like them. I respect them in a way, you know. Yes, there's something we used to forget sometimes. If black women come Europe, their matter don't change. The way they used to act in Nigeria or the way they used to live life in Nigeria is different from what they are living in Europe. Yes, let's not discuss that one. Let's not even go that side. Let's not go that side, because I've seen a lot. Yeah. But they are exactly the people whereby they used to say that white women are like this, are like this, are like this. As you open yourself, as you they come Europe, why you not get something to talk about yourself? You
But
can't
I'll say
pretend.
we are on
You do
another
like
topic right now, Another topic now we just did now. Are we
All right.
done with the first topic? Are
Okay,
we done?
Before she leave, I think the first question which she asked now, talking about the culture, you know, the white community or the white people who wants to, you know, have a relationship with the black people in terms of bringing a balance to the culture. You see, it's not something that is difficult. You understand? Because as a white or as a black man, if you choose to marry a white woman, you must understand that your understanding about life, your upbringing is totally different. You are coming from a very different world. You know, you are coming from Africa and she is a white person per se. And those of us will be black, we come Europe. First things first, even without being told, without having a formal education or what have you, the moment you step your feet in the Europe soil, you should understand that the system that operates here is quite different from the system that operates back home where you are coming from. That in itself is an introduction to the culture of the European. And again, a European lady will meet black man here for whatever reason, maybe love or something like that. You have to also have in mind that his own orientation about the culture is quite different. Now, there should be a level ground. Now, waiting sweet banana cake they try to talk about just now. That level ground comes from adequate communication. You see, many at times, some persons, because you made reference to, after you pick up a black man, even if you don't get anything, you make something out of him, then later he turn back against you and that stuff like that. But the reality is this: it is not true in every case. It is not true in every case, because there are still people who are black that are married to white that are very loyal to their partner. And there are people who are white that are married to black that are loyal to their partner. But the reality is this: the individual you are dealing with, you know, even in every relationship, like I will always say here, it is very important you put people to the test and you see what their mindset is. Communication is key. Communication is power. And when you are in a relationship with somebody, statements shouldn't be taken for granted, even if they were said out of joke. For example, you are going out with a man and he tell you, say, no worry, I will go find another woman, I'll join you. You may laugh over it, but ponder on it. Then how often does he make that silly joke? When that silly joke becomes often, you should know that there is something behind it. It's just finding a subtle way to put it in your subconscious mind, so that when it eventually happens, it will be like, say, he don't fair they give you the green light. So understanding the culture is, first of all, you have to realize, self-realization matters a lot. You have to realize that we are coming from two different backgrounds, two different perspectives.
Not everyone is telling you about culture. They will tell you one or two, okay, you used to you are trying to understand it, whereby there are some more things whereby you as a white, no matter, even if not 10 years, look, I've been with the Nigerian for 10 years. I did everything for that person. I bought car, I ship car, I open shop, I open everything. After 10 years, without my knowing, as he they tell me, say, I won't go visit my people for Bongo, for Naija. Let me talk like this. Yes.
Now we know where she's coming from.
As he come back as a married person. So no matter
your husband go marry that person.
Now your cousin be that too. Wahala.
Oh,
Honestly,
okay.
Kisley, I
Now
beg,
I
just
get
1
the
minute.
point.
Kisley, just 1 minute. See, what did she just explain now? It has nothing to do with Niger or Oibo. See, my people, deception is not race-based. Deception is not gender-based. There are so many Africans where we say they don't build with Oibo. When that Oibo don't reach on top, Oibo leave the African for bus stop. You see, so we cannot tag this to culture or to race. It is just a behavioral pattern and it's a human thing. You understand? So it did everywhere.
Yes.
For me personally, when me they talk, I don't see many Niger where they follow Oyibo build. Oyibo be say, man, for the man or the woman to chop before, now problem. You don't understand? They different depths. After this Niger man don't work, they don't try remove this person from depth. Now that time that person can't say in smart well. So bad character is not gender based. The most important thing to say, may God not allow us to go carry people they don't know themselves. I don't mute.
You see, that's the reason why I pointed it as I say individual, depending on the individual you are dealing with. You understand? Because when it comes to deception, in all honesty, it is an individual thing. A person that may be wrong to you today may be right to another tomorrow, and you that may be right to someone today may be wrong to another tomorrow. So now personal decision be that. I want to attend to something. Thank you.
Okay, my sister, Sister Soma, you are welcome to our show. Unfortunately, I am so sorry of what happened to you. I understand. Thank God that you said that your ex-husband or your baby father is from Nigeria. Well, most of us here, I think like 80 to 85% of us here, we are also from Nigeria. If I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry. So now we can't know see why they speak pidgin like us. Because one of our brother is so seed for where you did. We know say you don't spend money, you don't spend a lot, but not still forget, okay? Not still forget. Yeah, if they try to talk about our women, say they choose wisely.
Yes,
If
now.
they choose wisely, if you not come meet me for here. If our women they choose wisely, if you don't see me here now, I for don't sleep. If really they choose wisely, me for that day best see they sleep. Now because they choose wisely, now make a day here. You understand? So not be only una wan be oyibo, if they happy to. Do you know how happy we are seeing you speaking pidgin with us? You know how we take you. You know how we like you. If not that one you gain from that our brother. I know say it's not enough, but we are very proud of you. I have to be honest to you. We are very proud of you. At least you can you join us every time. You understand what we are doing here, and you are white. Do you know what is that? Okay. Even our people, they choose wisely. They say they made mistake. So women are women, whether Oyibo or that white.
I'm talking about the girls I'm knowing, you know. I'm not talking about everyone. I don't have that right, you know. But most of the time, I friends I have, you know, they can never do like things I did. They even tell me, oh, how can you? My sister, you they fuck up, you know. But that is not how we are. It not depends on what you have or which you get, you know. Once love day. So no matter how you go run them. So
Okay.
it is not about
you don't know say that same our black way they talk so. You don't know say they still break our woman heart. You don't know.
I know. I have seen a lot, you know. I really understand that thing, and that is why sometimes
this matter we put on for another day. We will deliberate on our topic. Now question say one the question now don't go another dimension.
So my sister, Sister Summer, make you join us some other time or maybe tomorrow. Then we can deliberate more on your issue. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate your encouragement and all. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you. Okay?
Thank you too.
Because of time, we are running out of time. That is why we are so sorry. Okay? So, make we continue the program.
Sister Juliet.
From where we stop. Sister Juliet.
Sister Juliet.
And before fear.
Yeah.
Sister Juliet.
Mama, can you mute, please? Thank you. Sister Juliet, we not dey hear you. Sister Juliet, we not dey hear you.
Okay, fear, unmute your side.
She don't unmute, but she no, we not dey hear her.
Fear, unmute your side, please, if you are with us.
Hello, good afternoon, family.
Yeah, good afternoon, my brother. What's up?
Yeah. Well, I'm not to really get much to say about the thing, but same question whether they ask, say like, what did the other guy come at that time say, if man they beat you, if you call police, then the marriage don't finish.
When you call, you play. If you don't play, I'll drop you. On the face, I can't look.
So the simple question I get to ask that guy be say, if now your guy for office, they talk to him anyhow, you go raise the hand, beat her up to the level, take mortar, beat the person. Then if you can't do that one to your guy for work, then you get no right to do it to anybody. Because before relationship, we are human beings, we are everybody we get our own different kind of persons. So in any way, either man abuse or woman abuse is for no reason it should be accepted. It should be called bad, and it's bad. If anybody drop their hand on you, if you can't take it, it's better you call the police for them to sort it out easily. Because by the time you try to compare power,
okay, may I quick correct comment section? Ebrafia, sorry, comment section. I beg, more not write anything for comment section about the Oyibo, please. I beg, more I take counsel na sister. Somebody when they hot. So more not make more let them feel relaxed. Okay? No matter anything what she write, make I just overlook and beg. Yeah, I beg I can't day. More I leave her. Make she join us. You know, it's just they watch us now. At least more give her kudos for that one. Continue, my brother, sorry.
So like what are the talk?
To the law of the
any abuse should be attended to
of our house too.
With the mind of dealing with proper as with the government, or with especially with the government anyway. So
yeah, that's all I
just have to say.
You say?
I say any abuse should be dealt with. I say any abuse for another man or woman should be attended to with every seriousness in person, either being man or woman. So that's just my take. For no reason, anybody, either being in relationship or boyfriend or girlfriend, to raise hand on anybody. If the man do something or the woman do something you know like her, easily talk to her. If you know, carry your bag and leave. Streets. So that is my stand with this issue.
Okay. Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you, Brush.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you. So, Star Juliet, I hope you are still there with us. Star Juliet, they unmute. Maybe now our network, we could move on, we'll go to Sister Golden Princess. Star Juliet, send us a request again, okay?
Pardon, sir.
I greet you.
We say I get to contribute for that woman. Like they say, stubborn fly. Like they follow firewood, enter fire. I be invested firewood person wey go carry firewood wey ant dey, na him invite ant for house. Abi I no know as dem make those proverbs sha. I no be proverb person. The thing be say that woman, as long as say the sister don tell am say no go, no be the case of say maybe the man deceive you, you don born before you come see say maybe the man don first marry get children, no be those kind case. You already know say the man get wife and they don tell you your own blood sister, no be say outsiders now or friend wey you go talk say maybe this person e no wish me well. Your own sister, your own blood tell you say this place no go. I don't know, you still get strong head enter the place. So since you don enter, feel say maybe na something wey you wan manage. I no blame her because you see this love of a thing. E get as e take dey do some people wey be say even though say dem wan enter grave, once the love don blind dem, dem no dey know say na their grave dem dey dig. So I no blame her. But as far as say the thing don clear for eye,
The phone don't off. Wait, charge small.
as far as say the thing don clear for eyes, e don resolve to the case of violence, abuse.
Better owner.
The highest thing for me, any relationship, e don lead to marriage o, dem don put money for your head o, you don born, if you like, maybe say na 20 children you born for there. As far as say that abuse, like no be only say maybe neutral abuse, like all those vocal abuse wey be say maybe e dey insult you or anything, e don involve gbas-gbos. You don dey carry, no be say even use am slap you once. Dem don carry more, e don reach where dem dey carry mortar dey wan break person head. Wetin you still dey do for there? Hey God. Na make you just run. In short, make you borrow shoe, join shoe, make you just dey run dey go. Because you see anything wey you wan give am any reason wey you wan come go dey look back, dey even go dey seek advice. Because this one wey we dey talk, some people go still dey for that Nigeria there wey be say there be maybe like all those old people, all those our old parents, our fathers dem, they go wan still sweet talk am, and now those ones na dey cause many problem wey be say we go run to our elder ones based on say they get more experience to us, but no be the kind advice wey they suppose advise us, no be im dem dey advise us. E go come make, na im dey make some of us or some people dey take the kind decision wey be say go later dey affect dem. Dem come dey wish talk say like say I know, I for just do wetin dey my mind. Like say I know that time, I for not do like this, I for not do like that. Because some people go dey wey be say maybe mama dem, our mama sister dem, like all those our mothers dem, they go use their own experience for marriage, wetin dem do wey work for dem, take advise her. So you go still see some people wey be say they go still advise her for there say because of the children, because of the children. My sister, any marriage wey be say e don lead to that kind abuse, you see those children, if you kpai for there, those children they go suffer. Believe am or you leave am. E no get as that man go dey caring reach wey be say e go fit take care of those children the way wey you as a mother go take care of those children. So na my own contribution be that. Any marriage wey be say gbas-gbos don enter, borrow shoe, join shoe, run dey go. And you see for that say injury wey that woman sustain, e need to teach am lesson. E need to make am pay put wey be say next time, even though e no get how body go pepper am reach up or anything wey be say the woman go do. Like as one brother talk say they no know whether the woman go cheat or something. Me and you know say for that Nigeria, every tribe get tradition. Every tribe get tradition. I be Benin person and I married to Benin. Every tribe get tradition. You go deal with her traditionally. You no need to blind the woman first. You no need to send her go early grave first before you go come. You wey be man, you know they cheat. You know they cheat. Now you go marry another woman when you don't already get wife for us. Wetin they find they go for outside. You know they cheat. So you take care of her traditionally as you be traditional man. Because if you not be traditional man, you don't go get right to marry more than one wife put for us. So you be traditional man, I make you get right to marry more than one wife. You use your IQ of your IQ as a traditional man, because those days we believe say all those our traditional men, they be wise people, they be wise, they wise. Now make them be traditional men. As a wise man, you treat them wisely. You don't need to send her go her early grave first before you go know say maybe she offend you or anything. So my advice for that sister, borrow shoe because as e dey now, not sure say even the shoe when you get for house go fit carry you run reach where you wan go. Borrow shoe, join shoe, take run, and make sure say that man pay for that injury, because definitely she go sustain injury. Make e pay put so that e go learn a lesson, so that next time you go know say no matter anything, you not supposed to, even though anybody at all, you not get right to give anybody injury. And those children, they go they see those things. Tomorrow now, the boys' children, they'll feel say it dey right for them. Come they maltreat the girls' children for the art. They'll feel say maybe na normal thing. Or the female children, they go enter abusive marriage tomorrow. Their husband go they maltreat them. They'll feel say na normal thing, because they see am for their papa and their mama hand. So for the sake of those children and for her own life, if she knows say she value her life, make she comot. She don't already do mistake, she don't do mistake. Make she run. Now my own contribution be that. I greet the house.
Just greet you. Thank you. Thank you. Future word.
Good afternoon, everybody. And they hear me now?
We dey hear you now.
Mommy, I dey here.
Now because I did high school. Future words. Now your turn. My mute.
No. Now you, ma. I just a greet am.
Okay. And a good afternoon. God bless all of you. Host, thank you so much. Good afternoon. And the host, I beg, help us remind some men, say it's not must to be married. Not be everybody. Not be all men need to marry. E get some men where they just born for, maybe they go dedication of another man. After he go the dedication, they give him rice, they give him drink, he go a house. All right? Because the moment where a man lay hands on his wife, that man don't become enemy already. There is no other enemy to look for. Any man will look a wife finish, he can't beat him. Now enemy, neither man be. You understand? Because I don't see any reason why. Where you go, I know say the position where that our sister did now, I go that position, make I first stop that beating first, because we are there for beat one woman, you beat all. Me, I don't know the kind of heart where hosts get where they listen to all this topic and they go, they okay. But me, where they listen to them, I they feel pain. Imagine soup where they boil, because before food, soup hot, it don't already boil. It don't they do man go just carry am. Hey, oh, when I hear that soup pour for that woman plus mortar break, my heart, I hold my heart. All right, I be not even get strength to come up, come talk. Wait till even give me more strength now. The other man will come, but I not go where that man dey. Make I just leave her. In case of any other man where they listen, there is no reason to lay hand on a woman. We are weaker vessel, all right? Because God don't already do it like that. Your wife is your gift. Now gift it be for you, because if you say you dey okay for that guiding where God keep you, say you don't need any helpmate, God will not bring woman come for you. The woman say if we dey talk, now woman they create last. He don't fair create all the animals. He pack all of them, give you, say man are they enough for there. You say no, you want who be like you. Then now they gather who be like you. All these men where they beat their wife, if you say God take permission from them, make it create woman, they will not agree. If you say he open their eyes, say you want woman, if you say no, now because say God pass their back, he put them for sleep. Now he bring out one take create them. You understand? They open eye now they go they beat them. It's not good though. He who find a wife find a good thing. Anytime where they lay hand on that woman, any good thing where they your hand, they reduce. So don't do that again. If you are not ready to marry, don't marry. It's not by force. Everybody must not marry. And all those kind men now they get title of I'm a married man. I'm a married man. You not go even let your fellow men wait know waiting be wife, husband talk. You go the married man. But you the day house where be say you not give the woman opportunity to ask you question. You not give your wife opportunity to say my husband wait till you do so. You know, go some of the men when they open a house key, the woman go run enter inside house. The children go run enter inside. Some of them they don't put fear for their wife. Say they not go let the woman talk to them face to face. This woman is another woman daughter. This woman is a full adult where they carry give you. You understand? Now you don't put fear for it, but you know go fit talk. If you talk now, you go slap him. And you think say you get power. My prayer for you, any man with the beat his wife, if you won't marry second wife, may you marry second wife will be like that our brother we can't talk that day. We say his sister a giant. That woman go beat you. If he beat you finish, you go know waiting a beat or beat woman. Because you need somebody who go beat you the same beat when you beat. All right, our sister, waiting don't happen, don't already happen, because if something don't happen now, we not go feel revise them again. All right, now you don't already enter. Normally, make I tell women we never enter second wife. You see all those sweet mouth where man they tell you my wife is not good, my wife is ugly, my wife is smelly. Now lie if they lie to you. But you now will not pity for wife where they has, because you don't know what the woman is going through. Because that man, money where they supposed to take care of his wife and children, if they use and they take care of you, for that you go they raise shoulder, say if you enter now you go better. And I pray make you not remember for side chick, may you enter house, so that the same cane where they take beat yawo, they go use and beat you too. You understand? My sister, you don't make mistake or you don't make mistake. And even this sister where we they talk so, where the husband beat. That sister now, who know whether you go even listen to his sister to leave that marriage. Now where you still there alive, that 4 children where remain, let them help you, make you move out from that house. In the first place, you are not supposed to be in that house, because there is a woman already in that house before you came in. All right? Or you came, more than verse for my English, you know, so I not go school. Before you come, woman already did there. All right? So any topic will come out here, we know they talk to who the thing already happened, because you know go let revise. Now in case of the people where they get mine, because side chick is a senior sister to second wife. Now side chick, now they graduate, you go turn to second wife. So if you know you don't want to be a second wife, don't be side chick, because you will not remain side chick forever. Because that man where they chop, they protect yourself, may you not taking. The picking way go enter, you not go let come out. No matter what you go drink, then you go enter that house. May you can't face waiting the wife they face. You understand? So now be waiting me get to talk. May you advise some men say not be must for them to marry. I beg make it they not marry if they not go fee take. You know now, you they say if you and your wife get argument, now you they come down. Now you they say sorry. Do you know say some men, now their wife they come down? Some men not go let their wife even talk, they go shout. Some men not they carry key come up for house because they quarrel they has. They go sit down gidigba. Some men are wicked. So woman will never pass through marriage problem. You don't know waiting it be for another fellow woman to they suffer for marriage. The worst thing that can happen to a woman is to be with your enemy on the name of marriage. All right? So now so I talk and our sister we just talk now summer. Our sister, listen, my sister, that they call on our Oyibo because of now the color, but we are all the same. Oyibo black. Now if they put mark for your hand and a blood red one, now ain't go come out. Now the same red one, now ain't go come out for our own body. That thing where you they talk say some women some black women they follow Oyibo because of something where they won't gain. Now so some women for black still they enter for another man hand, not because of what they won't gain, because of love. You understand? So now this thing where they happen to now, it's still they happen to us. Because if not don't be say women they suffer for husband has this platform, another thing for the talk kerewawa, as we they do every day, every Sunday program. Now we go see do it within the we tell they enjoy ourselves. But women are going through a lot. We are going through a lot. All right? So Brother Augustine, God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you very much, Sister Juliet. Thank you. God bless you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Brother, what I work you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, talk to us.
Sabe, bring me down. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Wait, now, bro, what they for work?
Okay, Future West. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bro Austin, God bless you for this opportunity. So, you know what? When something happened here, when there is a story, we understand that we are actually talking to the future people that may likely to fall victim again. You see, someone who we are not trying to judge here, a woman who happened to be what? A second wife is now facing, basbos in our own house. Madam, wherever you are now, first of all, let's assume you have made a mistake. let's assume that. Let's assume you have made a mistake, and we cannot, we cannot turn the time of the clock. But the thing is that, please, whenever, most especially married man, or in anywhere, even a friend, when you have someone as a friend and that person is fond of destroying the other person, it will tell you, don't worry, you see that sister, so not be better person. When you have people that live, that talk that way, be very careful about those people. Because do you know what? As soon as you live where you are, it will turn around and tell another sister, go this. Do you know what? Brother Owa is a bad person. No. You understand? That is what those type of people, that is what they do. You understand? Okay, a man is boldly telling you that, my wife, no be better person. I wish I see you before. Now you're supposed to be my first wife. Madam, use your tongue and count your teeth. You understand? Use your tongue and count your teeth. Because you know what? Very soon, you see that statement, that man will make it to another woman. If I have met you, this is my second woman, not be better person. Whether you like it or not, that is life for you, generally. Now, the second one, please and please, for God's sake, you see life, say we still did this life, we go to think, say the life not really get value. Make small something just happen to us, like let's say we are sick, maybe we have fever, terrible fever. You will understand the value of life. Sometimes when you are healthy, when you are strong and sound, you don't really know, most of the time you don't really, value that good health. Whenever you have some little health issue, that is where you know what God has done for you to be healthy. You understand? Sometimes when you have ordinary stomach ache, you will understand that it is very important for you to be strong and healthy. Madam, any marriage, I don't want to know the reason. The worst reason that can happen, they will say, this man don't go enter outside. Let's imagine that as you beat that woman, you go kill that woman. Is there any justification you are going to use that, because say the woman put hand for her side, that it make you kill her?
That make you buy her?
Okay, sorry, my sister. Now it make you buy her. First, you go know, say, if you buy woman like that, you don't buy the whole children common for your body. Why? Because you don't get any pikin when one grow, say, na papa, na ik buy mama. You can't tell me, say, you don't get any justification when you want talk. Say, na wetin make you buy my mama. Not dey. So to avoid those kind of story, please, Oga, if you know you don't want to, leave people daughter alone. It's not good. You people are giving us a bad name. They go come out, now only us, now we not green work. Go dey find woman when go give us food. Now only us go still carry woman put for us. We go still use hand. We not go let her rest. You people are, giving us a bad name all the time. Please, we should learn from this. From the future side chick that will love to be what? A second wife. It's not the way. You understand? It's not the way. Then when I was growing up, my dad will not say, if not be small something, I will just marry second wife. If you don't talk and finish, then my mom, he go come call and he go say, Alpha, that second wife, he never reach, he don't dey arrange her room. You understand? So that he can't chop the sugar when they follow the chop. You understand? When I grow older and I understand what my mom, the message she was trying to pass. And I wish that woman use manage enter our house. That woman for collect for her lifetime. It's not a good thing because you are an eat through that now you be as a person. A man, if you don't know, some men can be very ticklish. If you don't know that this man is a married man, they can play the game to that extent. My dear, the day when you know say you dey engage yourself in a battle when you no go fit win. It's very rare for you to see second wife when overtake home, unless the other one dey sleep. No woman go allow make second wife come overtake home. In all of this, even if say the woman come become third wife or fourth wife, oga, to dey beat torture woman no be better something. Please, we should try and do better so that the society will be a better place. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you for your submission. Thank you. We really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. So we are not bringing people up again. You know, I just came from work and I started the video, so I need to.
I go see say Roho's face self don dey come down small.
I need to have some rest, so let's not just do it. Then we close for the day. You know what I mean? It's not easy. See, wait till I hear for this house. Sometimes, I thought yesterday say, if I dey work, now let me hear the talk.
Anyway, bro, so let you dey talk.
Sometimes I hear the laugh. Oh, I dey talk.
I bet all of you make you want to talk. So,
you don't see something. Not be even this woman matter be one carry come. Now that matter be one carry come. How somebody just open eye. Just open two eyes. Some be husband and wife now.
Woman again.
Husband and wife now. Boyfriend and girlfriend. Just open two eyes. I don't want to talk that one yet. May I not expose her. We'll leave her for tomorrow.
Okay, future word.
Mommy, see you.
But go the first future word come now.
Sister Godi never talk since. Don't talk now.
No wonder I said it was mute yesterday. You want to do revenge? You want revenge?
Now you come before this thing. Which I know very well.
Sister Godi never talk.
Future word, your time is starting.
So that juju now. What you do?
No. You never start. Not be host they do one. Talk before we put you.
How many of you remember say I promise yesterday. Anyway, I joke I did anyway.
I'm sorry, I won't go outside. I beg, no verse, man. Forgive me.
Mommy, God don't talk before.
No.
Mommy, good.
I don't talk.
She don't talk now. Let me
Where
leave her there.
You dey receive call that time.
No, she don't talk.
Let me just leave her there. Let me not drop her.
Yeah, she don't talk.
Okay, no wahala. You don't reduce now. Remain 3. Future word I don't finish.
It was a lie. I go do justice. Mommy, see you. Time your way. It was not promise and power yesterday because we get that yesterday. I said, it was mute. Epa mute.
Can you imagine?
Epa mute.
Good afternoon, mommy and daddy in the house.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Right. I said I go mind my business, but you don't let me be. I procure all LBC road. I see you don't enter my blood. You know Greek about. Yeah. I say make I mind my business. Make I don't day. Make I tell you say I don't repent. Buy no work. I say I must climb up. Because this matter, I must talk. Because if I don't talk, you don't complete. Lie. Okay, no problem. I want to join the one where I say, but you don't talk. Mommy, tell me.
Only 2 people join her now. Only 2. 3 minutes.
Mommy, tell me.
Yes, I'll tell you.
Okay, I want to join what people don't talk since. Please mute or. Yeah. I want to join what people don't talk since. You see?
You don't finish, bros. You don't finish. Nobody did die again. Nobody.
Okay. The worst thing where woman will feel do, the worst mistake where any woman
3 minutes
for this life is to be a second wife to any man. the worst mistake. Now I was like nightmare I be that. Because no woman with the right sense go there happy say her husband want marriage and I not dey possible. If you dey find where if you dey find where witchcraft dey, na family I say dey for the marriage one.
For the come.
Na there you dey.
For the come.
If that woman never go where Babalawo dey before, he never go native, you go waka for your head as a second wife. No woman wan share that thing wey dey down there with you. You know happy, you know what dey possible. She will never be happy with the second wife. Oh, don't judge me. We can talk finish. You understand? And he will never be happy. Me, as you see me, so make I no see. You know, get how much love I get from my husband. You know, husband, if they hear me now. You know, if you marry, join me because that woman, I go bear her no happy. And I tell you the truth, too. Because where I suffer put, you know, if you consider for them, you know, get peace. You know, get peace for what? As a woman, you think that man wey say you don't go, we don't bless you, don't get wife for house. Because they say my wife not good, my wife not this. I pray. You think that man will treat you more than your first wife? It will never be possible. He can only treat you for the main time, but trust me, when you wife for feed, the pain where that woman go through, that man will feed you with it. It's just a matter of time. I'm not talking to that auntie. A lot of people are making this kind of mistake. Not you I'm talking to. I'm telling women, I didn't always go to say my sugar daddy, side chick. You want to be a side chick for a man. Until well done. You want to be a side chick for a man. Maybe I say you don't already get wife. See, I don't come across a man where I say I did. I don't know say he get wife for house, he get pikin for house. I later found out and said that man get wife. Maybe you have a son. You could come and know everybody address. How did I find out? I now found out that this man they beat your wife. Imagine me now. I know all those things. I can't go shoot my hair. That man will still give me blue, Pulaba, Buhari. How did we get here? That man will deal with me the way they deal with the first wife. Because the way I heard you know, I said the man poor. He breaks something for your body, pot of soup for your body. You just know the man clear eye. Now your wife don't work out for your head. Tete. Which woman will they happy? Even maybe that woman never did evil before. Because of you as a second, you go become evil. Ask anybody that said the papa married four wife, 6 wife, like 3 wife. Ask them when they tell you the history. There's nothing good come out from there. At all, which is a wizard. Now you're going to see native daughter, mommy water, all the old komi the food there. My sister, there's no home for you there. I'm not here to judge you. I'm not just say, hey, you are.